So we are basically making a demo video of how you can check the initial water consumption and then how you can go ahead with the water consumption post the restrictors are installed. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the aerator which has already been installed. So aerators are usually installed beneath the neckline of the tap, and what we're going to do is we're going to just open this. So you can see there's a lot of dirt already embedded inside the aerator. So what we'll do is we'll remove these dirts initially so that we can check the actual water consumption. And all you're going to do is basically just tap a few times and you'll be good. And after doing that, we're going to install the aerator. Close the tap. The next thing that we're going to do is check the angle wall if it's at complete pressure. Yeah. Yeah. Now the angle wall is at complete pressure. So for 10 seconds, can I have another phone? Pause it.